Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dakota Lotus. So, I know that times are hard right now with the virus keeping us inside so much and a lot of problems in the world. You know, we can start to get a little anxious and worried about stuff, but something that I like to do to help me calm down is, grab my guitar and play some music. There's a lot of things that we can do, and I just want to let you guys know that you're not alone at all. I'm here for you. There's a lot of people here for you, and yeah, I love you. Alright, so this song is called All In For Love, and I wrote it about spreading awareness to take care of the earth, and also to love and be kind to each other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I may be small, but I've got something big to say. I look around and I can't accept things this way. And there's so much that they haven't left for us to change. I'm ready to throw my cards in, I'm ready to do my duty. I'm ready to live my life with love, cause that's what's flowing through me. All in for love, all in for love. Are you all in for love? So let's get down, down, cause I'm all in for love. All in for love. Are you all in for love? So let's get down, down for love. Down, let's get down for love. Whoa. I know I'm not alone, cause you're clapping along. And this is more than words, a movement moving on. And I'm so happy I can reach you through a song. I'm ready to throw my cards in, I'm ready to do my duty. I'm ready to live my life with love, cause that's what's flowing through me. All in for love, all in for love. Are you all in for love? Let's get down, down, cause I'm all in for love. All in for love. Are you all in for love? Let's get down, down for love. Down, down, let's get down for love. Down for love. I'm living in this world and I'm always learning lessons. I can't thank God enough because my life is such a lesson. Yeah, I'm talking about this world, that's what I'm addressing. People trashing the earth, man, it's so depressing. Use the power of your mind to let loose and unwind, and remind yourself to try and help mankind. I know it can be hard, but be thankful for the earth. We need to show the universe what a human's worth, yeah. And the shootings, man, it's so unreal. There's no need for weapons, and that is what I feel. Relaxation. Your mind's on a vacation, just let go of your worries and you'll be on higher vibrations. All in for love, all in for love, all in for love. So let's get down for love. Down for love. Whoa, down for love. Down for love. Down. Let's get down for love.
Hey, what's up? My name is Stuart Edge. Last year I was able to speak at many different schools across Utah with Stand for Kind and talk about the impacts that kindness can have over bullying. One of my favorite stories to tell was about an experience I had in my sophomore year of high school. I auditioned for the school musical and I made it, but I was also wanting to try out for the wrestling team. But this year, the two overlapped for 1 week, and it was the most important week of them all, because it was the beginning of the performances for the musical, but it was also the first week of wrestling practice, a week that you were not supposed to miss. There was another person on my team that was also in the musical with me, and we had to miss practice one day because we had a dress rehearsal for the musical. After the dress rehearsal was done, we ran to the locker room, got our gear, and then ran up to a practice that had already started. As soon as Coach saw us walk in, he stopped practice. We had some teammates of ours that decided to join the school play and were singing, dancing, and messing around. Stuart and Trent brings us up to the front. Coach looked around the room and then he said, "I think what these guys did is amazing. Keep pursuing your dreams and passions and become well-rounded individuals." He pulled out 2 candy bars from his pocket and gave them to us. That candy bar was so important because it showed that my coach thought about that moment prior to it happening. I put that candy bar in my pocket, but ultimately what I took with me was a lesson of being kind on purpose. Even if it's a small thing like giving a candy bar or writing a note, the impact it has will be big.
This song is an unreleased song that I wrote just a little bit ago. And I wrote this song, it's called We Are, and I wrote it about unity and coming together. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's all come together. I think we can do better. Can you even remember how it used to be? There was no hatred tearing us apart. There are no words to explain it. Search within your heart, 'cause deep down, deep inside, I can feel your inner light. Together we are standing side by side. Oh, trust that we are guided, standing strong, undivided, hand in hand we are united. Oh, we are running free, we are, you and me, we are, hey, we are shining bright, we are flying high, we are, hey, we are, yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. We can change our habits, start fresh and new. The power's inside of all of us. I believe in me and you. We used to be so connected, yeah. Now we've got phones in our hands. The world is what we affected. Oh, I hope you understand. But deep down, deep inside, I can feel your inner light. Together we are standing side by side. Trust that we are guided, standing strong, undivided, hand in hand we are united. Oh, we are running free, we are, you and me, we are, hey, we are shining bright, we are flying high, we are, hey, we are together running free. Together, you and me, together, oh, together. Together, shining bright, together, flying high, together, oh, together. We are running free, we are, you and me, we are, Hey, we are shining bright, we are flying high, we are, oh, we are.